Did a tour of my first toolbox. Now I'm gonna do a quick one of my older Craftsman, which has got mostly stuff I don't use as much or not as important. My better stuff's in the general, but here we go. Got the cheap Harbor Freight magnetic screw trays, and I got some of the really long screwdrivers. And I got a few pry bars and some miscellaneous stuff that I don't really use. Got some smaller precision screwdrivers, some magnetizer, Milwaukee bits, more precision screwdrivers. Got 2 pick sets, the Harbor Freight ones, and some Tekton. Just got this today. Tekton 6-in-1. Really like the handles of these. Need to pick some of these up. I got the ratchet and screwdriver with bits from Craftsman. Really regret putting these stickers on there. Got the Rock Auto magnets. I got about 20 more on the refrigerator. Let's see, I got a X-Acto knife, some brushes, some clamps, some body panel pullers, a file, some Titan scrapers, and some extra blades. Yeah. Got some sockets that I don't need. The cheaper ones. I got all my better ones in the other box. Got the best tape measure, the auto lock. Use this thing all the time. Some cheap Harbor Freight screwdrivers. You can get like 20 of them for $7. And use this thing a lot. Precision screwdriver. And don't really use any of the rest of it. And a bunch of stuff in this drawer. Got a video on this thing, but this thing is the bomb. One of my better purchases. $40 at Harbor Freight. Need to pick one up. They got one on Amazon. It's $35, and it's a different brand, but either way, these are really helpful. Got a siphon. Got a glue gun. Not really a tool, but use it a lot. Stud finder, some drill bits, some extra jigsaw blades, some tape, some thread lock, got some clips for my grill, some O-rings, some LED bulbs, Harbor Freight drill bits. And these last 2 drawers, I don't really like how they're organized, but I need a bigger toolbox, a lot bigger. Got the punch set from Harbor Freight. Oh, you can't see that. The green ones. Got a bolt cutter, safety glasses, a pipe wrench, and one of my 2 new sets of wrenches. Got the Sunex with the V groove. Really Good quality. They're better than their older stuff. They were cheap too. I ain't used them yet, but just got them this week. Last drawer. Got big 36 millimeter. Use that for my fan, my truck. Got a Matco dead blow. Use that a lot. And I haven't used these yet, but they're for your brake caliper. They hold them up. Looking forward to using these. Make things a lot easier. Got some, what are these things called? Quick remove, quick release. Use them for your fuel line and other kind of lines. I just got these today. They had a really good deal on them. Power built, reversible. Oh, shoot. Lifetime warranty too. Down the bottom, got a bunch of junk. Won't fit anywhere else. Got a big magnet, breaker bar, bigger prop bar. Got some, what are these called? Protective wire wrap. A ball joint press down here. Got the cheap Walmart Dremel tool. Works just fine. Use that a lot. Got a cheap Harbor Freight impact set. I don't use no more. And super cheap heat gun from Harbor Freight. Got it for $9, so figured what the heck. And that pretty much sums up this box. I got a paper towel holder. Ain't very good. Some rags. That is my second toolbox, my least favorite of the two. Plan on getting try to get a 56-inch cart next time so I can put all the stuff into one. But anyways, like it and subscribe.